Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, click on your profile icon on the top right, then click on the settings cog again on the top right. Once you're on here, select See More in Account Center. Then you want to go down to Account Settings and select Personal Details. Once you're on here, select Manage Ownership and Control. Then you should see Deactivation or Deletion. So click on that. Then obviously if you have different accounts, just make sure you select the right one. Then it'll give you two options to either deactivate or delete. So obviously if you want to deactivate, just make sure that one is selected. Then click on Continue. Then if you have any pages associated with that account, they will also be deactivated as well. So if you're happy with that, just select Continue. Then you'll need to enter in your password. Then once you've done that, just select a reason if you want to do so, then select Continue. And there's some information you can read through on here. And then you can select Automatically Reactivate My Account. And then you can select the number of days from 1 to 7. You can also choose Don't Reactivate My Account Automatically. So it's entirely up to you what you do there. Then select Done. Then just select Continue on there. And then there'll be a little bit more information you can read through. And then you just click on Deactivate My Account. And that will deactivate your account. Thanks for watching.